I'm making a delicious, healthy treat, and that only uses 3 ingredients. And I'm going to show you 3 different ways. I know a lot of my followers have food sensitivities or food allergies or children with food allergies, and so I want to show you some different options. So we are going to be using dates, and I wanted to show you, so this is a date that you get usually in the aisle with the dried fruit. So I can't remember what this is called, maybe a douglet? I don't know. Anyway, so it's a date. This is a medjool date, and you can get these usually in the produce section. I live on the East Coast, and I don't know of any dates grown here, but I know during the season I can get some really delicious dates, and so I got these and actually froze them, and then just thawed them to do my video. And so it doesn't matter which ones you use. These do not have a pit in them. They've already had the pit removed, but these do have a pit. So I'm going to show you that as well. So all I'm going to do, all you need is dates. You need some chocolate. I like the Simple Truth. This is 72% cacao. Always read your ingredients, my #1 rule. So before I buy anything, I look. This one is organic chocolate liqueur, organic cane sugar, and organic cocoa butter. So is this a healthy food? No, it does have added sugars in there. But as far as chocolate chips go, that's not too bad. Cocoa nibs are usually a little healthier choice. They don't have added sugar with them, but I don't know how well they would melt, and we want these melted. So I just put them in a little dish here, microwaved it. You could just warm it on low, but be really careful. I microwaved it at 40% for a minute, stirred it, and then did 30-second intervals, still at 40% until it was melted. So I have my dates, I have my chocolate, and then I need a nut butter. So I have an almond butter, I have a peanut butter, and I have a sun butter. So this is sun butter. It is made out of sunflower seeds. So that's good for people who can't have peanuts or tree nuts. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I have this medjool date. I usually do it in my hand, but I don't want to do that on camera because I don't want you to do that. I'm going to cut it halfway. It hit the pit. Can you see that? I don't know if you can tell or not. I'm going to take the pit out, and then I'm just left with this little bowl. So what I'm going to do is, for this first one, I'll do almond butter. I've got my almond butter. I'm going to fill that little hole. Now, I'm going to do these separate because I can't have almond butter or peanut butter. So I'm going to do my sunflower one first and dip it in the chocolate so that I don't cross-contaminate. If I dip, I just took another pit out, and it has a little stem end here too. I'm just going to pull that off. The other one didn't have that. So if I put the peanut butter in there and dip that in that melted chocolate or the almond butter, that's going to get in my chocolate. So then when I dip one for someone who's allergy sensitive or allergic, food sensitive or allergic, if I dip that in that chocolate, then I'm going to contaminate the chocolate. Then when I dip the one I can't eat in there, I'm going to cross-contaminate. So I don't want to do that. And so I could have melted 3 different things of chocolate. Instead, because I'm the only one in the family who cannot have those other things, I'm going to make mine first. I'm going to fill that with the sun butter. Then I'm going to dip it in the chocolate. I just dropped it in there. I'm going to pull it out. I did not grab a napkin. That wasn't smart. You can see all the chocolate running off. So this is my date filled with my sun butter. I have a pan here with just a Silpat sheet. I'm going to set my date on there, and so that I know what is in that one, I'm going to put sunflower seeds on top, which unfortunately is not my favorite. I would much rather have the almonds or the peanut butter, but that's what I need to do for me for now. So there's our first one. So I'm going to make the rest of the sun butter ones, and then I will transition to the ones that everybody else can eat. And I'll do one with the date, the store-bought date. So this one is already split open. I don't even have to cut it. I don't know if you could see that. So I'll fill that. Okay, if I were making this for someone with food allergies, everyone would have the allergy-friendly one first. So if someone was allergic to peanuts or allergic to almonds, we would only have the sun butter and would not even open these other containers. I am not allergic. I have food sensitivities, and so I'm going to go with the sun butter. It's okay if I handle these other things. I don't recommend it for other people, though. Okay, so I have my almond butter. I'm going to just go ahead and stuff these, and then I will mess with the chocolate. You can see I have chocolate. It is a little messy. This is a lot of fun to do with your kids. They will love doing this. They love dealing with melted chocolate. All right, I'm going to fill it with almond butter. This is the little, the one that is in the aisles with the dried fruit. You can see it's a lot smaller, so there we go. And because it had almond butter, I'm going to put an almond on top. Here's the medjool date one. These are so good. I love these medjool dates. Pull it out. Put an almond on top. And I said I was going to do them all, and I didn't. So, dates are a fruit, no other ingredients. So that is a healthy choice, very high in fiber. I believe they're higher in iron as well. Someone have to check me on that. But I know they're high in minerals. Almonds are wonderful for heart health. Also high in fiber. Chocolate's just making it delicious. There are some health benefits to cocoa, but this does have added sugar. You could always leave the chocolate off and just put your nut butter inside and then some cocoa nibs inside. I've done that before too, and leave off the melted chocolate with the added sugar if that is a concern for you. Okay, I'm finished with the almond butter. So last is the peanuts. I'm going to do the little one first. That one is tiny. And I did not open my peanuts. I do not recommend dry roasted peanuts as a healthy choice. For a healthy choice, buy some raw peanuts and warm them in your oven. Sprinkle a little salt on them. These are dry roasted peanuts, which are my husband's favorite, but like I said, that is not a healthy choice. They're heated too high, and they have lots of extra ingredients. This one has oil as well. It has some spices, some oil, cornstarch, and even sugar. So yeah, like I said, always read your ingredients. All right, whew, I kind of overstuffed that one with the peanut butter. Do another one. I might be able to put some of that peanut butter in this one. If you hold your mouth just right, you'll get it just right. There we go. Drop the last one in. How quick and easy is this? I just made 9 of them. We may each eat 3. I doubt it, but we might. A little too much peanut butter. There we go. And a peanut on top of that one. My hands are a little chocolatey, but here we go. That is a beautiful dessert, healthy, delicious, and nice treat, a nice afternoon snack. What I'm going to do is just stick them in the freezer for about 5 minutes just to get that chocolate to harden, and then they'll be ready. and I will post a picture. Anyway, if you make these, let me know. Like and share my videos. Let me know what you would like to see. And let me know what you'd like to learn. Enjoy!